Here's how to get the repost button on Instagram if it's missing. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's an update available for Instagram. If there is, install the update and then open Instagram again to see if the feature appears. If you still don't see it, log out of your Instagram account and sign back in. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select Log Out. Close the app, reopen it, and sign back into your account. Another fix is to reinstall Instagram. Delete the app from your device, then download and install it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, sign in and check if the repost feature is available. Keep in mind that Instagram often rolls out new features gradually. Even if your app is updated, the repost button may not be available in your region or on your account yet. In that case, you'll need to wait for Instagram to enable it. You can also report the issue through Instagram's help section if you believe the feature should already be available on your account. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and fixes.